Hey guys, Travis Edmonds, I'm with Lincoln Electric. I work out of the pipe group. Today we're going to be talking about pipeline or LHD, specifically the starts and the stops with this electrode. All right, this electrode has a tapered tip. It's unique to this electrode. That adds some added benefits. The biggest one, it's going to give you a little extra shielding gas, less prone to starting porosity. All right, you also have to make sure that the tip is in good shape, and it will treat you well when you fire off. All right. A few things to note. You want to do a strike and go technique. I know a lot of you guys like to weld cellulosic. Maybe you want to stick it, flip your hood down and break it. Maybe you guys want to stick it and step up. Maybe you want to stick it in there, wait for a minute. With this electrode, touch and go, man. It's just you hit it and you're off to the races. I'll demonstrate that here in a minute, but first I want to talk about when you stop the electrode. You're going to come down the pipe. When you get towards the end of the weld, you're going to accelerate quickly and just whip out, staying in the joint. You don't want to pull out. You don't want a long arc. That gives chances for porosity. Then also you want to avoid stopping at 3 o'clock. This is the toughest part on the pipe. We'll talk about that on another video with a few other tips. So you don't want to end here at 3 o'clock if you can stop before or if you can make it around. So let's fire off here. One thing I want you guys to pay attention to is the buckshot of the BBs coming off the electrode when I fire off. The way you control that is your rod angle. What you want is either a 0, maybe a 10-degree drag. If you're going to get buckshot, chances are it's going to be shooting up in front of you. All you need to do there, lessen your drag angle. But pay attention to that puddle. That puddle will tell you what to do and how to place your rod angle. All right, let's lay down a bead here. All right, here we go. Firing off, straight up and down, touch and go. Now up here at the top of the pipe, I want to go as quickly as I can. I don't want to add too much metal up there, because I know once I get down to the side of the pipe, I'm gonna have to pick up my travel speed. I'm also going to increase my rod angle. I'm going to drop my shoulder a little bit. If I want to, I can turn up my amperage. That's going to help hold that puddle back, all those things. I want to stay ahead of the puddle, pushing that slag back. And just riding down the joint, nice and smooth. So when I'm about ready to stop, I want to stop before 3 o'clock. I'm going to quickly drag down the joint. Here we go. Now in doing that, you'll see I didn't leave a big glob of weld metal. That means less grinding. We do recommend grinding the stops and the starts. All right, if you guys have any more questions about LHD or any Lincoln product, go to lincolnelectric.com.